How to fix account has been deleted or deactivated in ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome to Create Login and Delete. It's Morgan here. And if you're finding this problem lately, let me help you to fix this one. So one of the reasons why you might be having this problem is because of the browser cache issue. So the first solution would be to clear all browser cache and cookies on your browser. Go to settings and go to privacy and security. From here, clear all your browsing data, including cached images and files. And also go to site settings, and from here, go to view permissions and search for OpenAI. And also make sure to clear the cookies from here and restart your ChatGPT. But even after clearing cache and site data, if you are being unable to access to it, the last option is to write an email to OpenAI support team. Write an email describing your problem to support@openai.com, and the help center or OpenAI center will reach up to you to solve your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.